Hey, what's up, y'all? We in the center of El Salvador at the Central Market of San Salvador. In this video, we're going to immerse ourselves with the locals in the Central Market. Then we're going to explore around this downtown of El Salvador and check out the National Library of San Salvador. Join me as we go take this adventure together. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so I just got out my Uber and I just touched down into the Central Market of the capital of El Salvador. And I just wanted to come out here and check it out. You know, people know I am a foreigner here. I stand out very easily. People are wondering what I'm doing. But I want you guys to check this out. Potentially, if you ever visit San Salvador, El Salvador, come to this spot if you're looking for things to bring back as souvenirs for your friends and family. And I just want to show you guys how safe this place is. A lot of people gave me flack of why I'm coming to El Salvador. But I've been seeing great videos and I have friends that are from here and I know this place is safe. And this is my third day here. This is one of the places that I have visited and I want you guys to check it out and see it for yourself. I am the only foreigner in this place. Don't know anyone here. I feel extremely comfortable walking down this area with no problem at all. Now the Central Market is full of street vendors. They're selling anything from fruit, items, clothing goods, etc. clothing. So you're going to get approached by a lot of people wanting to sell you things, so do not be alarmed. That's pretty normal and natural here. And I'm actually just looking for some fruit probably to take back into my hotel. People are observing me, want to say hi to me. I got stopped a couple times, but I want to show you guys when I get towards the end of the street how very congested it is and a lot of people, a lot of activity. So I think this would be a good place for people to come check out if they are in El Salvador. So it's going to take us a little walk. Bear with me. We're going to get down there and I want you guys to check it out and let me know what you think. Now you are hearing a lot of people doing a lot of advertisement on megaphones and speakers. So that's the noise you are hearing. And I'm going to be quiet because I want you guys to immerse yourself in this experience and see exactly how I experienced it.
Papaya dulcita, 3 coras, la papaya, 3 coras, a 3 coras, a 3 coras, la papaya dulcita, 3 coras, a 3 coras, a 3 coras.
Venga, corazón, a unos 50. Dos coras. De papa.
Libra, cabana, dólar, el frijol, a dólar.
One thing I should note too is I came close to the closing time of this Central Market. So best believe during the morning and the daytime it's a lot more congested, a lot more busy. I actually came from the hiking of a volcano and I wanted to get this before the day end, and this was the result. So it was pretty much packed up during the time I was walking down, but you can see that it's still kind of live and busy. So many fruit here. A lot of locals were surprised to see me. I got stopped a couple times. People looking back at me wondering what I'm doing here, but again, I had no problem. People knew I was from America. They was happy to greet me. I was excited walking down the street. So let me go over the cost of the trip to El Salvador. My round trip flight ticket was 500 bucks. I rent a car for a week for like another 50 bucks. The place here is very affordable, very cheap. The national dish is called pupusas. Very tasty, only about a couple bucks. So eating here, even fast food restaurant, is super cheap. Everything here is affordable. I had a very nice Airbnb that I showed in my last video, so go check that out. It's near the volcano. I had a beautiful site. So this place is just underrated in my opinion. So if you're looking for a quick vacation trip, El Salvador is a place to go. Not far from the United States. I believe it was only a 4 or 5 hour flight, and the time difference is only about an hour time difference. So this is a magnificent place for vacation. And we're walking through this Central Market area to get to the popular El Salvador National Library. So this is another reason why I wanted to come this way, because there's a shortcut to get in there.
Eso es 180. Café, café, café. Café, pan dulce.
All right, guys, so I reached the end of the road now. I am seeing a lot of people leaving their work. They're heading home. So here's the police here. Now we're going to go ahead and track and keep going so we can reach the downtown center point of the San Salvador. All right, let's go. All right, so here we are. We are at another popular attraction location in San Salvador, which you will see. I'm going to walk up to the El Salvador sign. This is like the park area. They got a lot of churches in this area. And to the left side of the screen, you will see the public library. All right, so there's the government building, and right there's the churches. You got the flag. This area seems to be a popular hangout spot. And again, you can travel solo. If you're a solo traveler like myself, this is a place that you can come, feel very comfortable. You won't have any problems at all. Trust me, guys, when I say this. I won't steer you wrong, won't have you go to a place that's unsafe. I am coming here and exploring myself with expensive cameras and showing you all what it's about. Okay, there's an El Salvador sign. Check out the library right there. I think $1.2 billion library, which was donated to the country El Salvador from China. One thing about this country too, the weather seems very comfortable. It's not overbearing and hot like the Southeast Asia. The countries I've been in, like Thailand, super hot. But yeah, this Southern America place is very nice. Beautiful, beautiful structures and buildings around here. Once again, you guys, take it all in. Take it all in. Come check out El Salvador. After I did a little bit of walking, I decided to take a break and start to people watch. I started to people watch just to check out the locals, see how they interact with each other. Just get a real immense experience of the culture here, of the city. Just check out the natural life of everyone in El Salvador. Guys, thanks for tuning in and watching the video. If you made it this far, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, share this to solo travelers and anybody who have an interest in visiting El Salvador. All right, guys, this is Real Travel Speaks. On to the next one. Peace, guys. Appreciate it.